Something great has taken you home. What kind of things are there here? All that matters in life is being sexy. Everything else doesn't matter. Be sexy and sexual. Never let no one tell you that you're not cool. You have to be cute. Have to be real sexual. Have to be tall. Place. And everyone's joking. But I'm not fucking joking, bitch. Being different is key. Being different is key, and being sexy is kinky. Don't you forget about the waves you make when you are famous. You're a motherfucking star. Don't you forget who you are. You are beautiful. These filters are fucking terrible. Why do I have only like 12 filters? Am I allowed to stay on live and look for more filters, or do I have to like stay here? Or do I have to... Sexual prowess is all that I seek. It's all I want to have. It's all I can eat. It's like a sexy buffet. A buffet of beauty. I wanna be attractive. I wanna be attractive. Oh, I wanna be. Get over here.
What?
Get over here, hold on. I wanna be attractive. Oh.
That's amazing.
Fairy godmother, do you think you could make me beautiful? Yes, I can. Oh my god, fairy godmother, thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What's love got to do, baby? What's love? It should be about us. It should be about trust, baby. What's love? This filter's crazy. I'm a little wiggly guy. I'm just a little wiggly guy. Woo!
You know what that means?
Kristen.
We don't exist.
Kristen. Ow!
Good. I'm always just
What's love got to do, baby? What's love? It's about us, it's about respect. What's love got to do? What's love? It should be about us. No, it's the wrong part. I'ma see you in 5 days, bitch. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna party it up, bitch. See you in 5 days, bitch. Can't wait. Got to do, baby. Who the fuck is Pearson Foad? Hold on. Look at my filter. Pearson Foad.
That's who it is.
The filter's modeled after him. Motherfucker said. he said.
The fact that these flowers with eyeballs are following us to every location.
They're cameras.
Which ones?
Each one of them is a camera.
Have you not noticed these flowers with eyeballs in them?
Oh yeah, I don't really like them very much. We can just completely take those off the fucking rider. I don't know why they're here.
That and a spider.
If you love them, like you can tell me.
I really don't like them. I really don't like them.
I actually really don't like them either.
I really don't like them.
Is that good?
Yeah, I think he's actually mad. He goes, LOL, roasted.
Who Pearson Food?
Yeah, Pearson. Can you Google that, please?
I'm looking him up right now.
Pearson, do you like that? I'm talking about you as if you're not right there.
What?
No, there's this guy who I think you would think is like kind of hot.
Yeah.
Oh,
And-
God, yes.
Google.
Pearson.
I found you a husband.
Pearson.
Come get this.
Sounds like a really douchey name.
Come get this.
Hell yeah, brother. I like my
You
men
guys-
gay like that.
So, oh, he's like gay.
No, he's not gay.
Kristen, he's perfect for you.
That doesn't mean that he's gay. He's just doing a
No,
Barbie
he's
thing.
doing a cute Barbie thing.
He's just doing a Barbie
He
thing.
is hot.
Well, why would that be the one picture you showed me of him being Ken? Are
Oh,
you
okay.
gonna sabotage?
Kirsten, you're hot.
And Pearson?
My friend Kristen wants to date you, Kirsten.
Kirsten Bowe.
Kristen, help.
You're like I would never like. He's actually really cute.
That was me.
Yeah, he's like a good-looking guy. He looks great in a handkerchief.
He's a good, solid,
Let me see.
guy.
Sorry, we're all checking you out while we're on.
Relax, honestly.
Yeah, I love that.
Relax.
I love that for you. Don't look at
That's
me like
not
that.
for you.
You are so freaking rude. You're rude. You're rude. You're rude. You're rude. Do that walk again. Oh my God, she's here. Hey, you guys, I'm on live, so don't get naked or anything, because that would be crazy and super weird.
Show them this.
Kristen, whoa, 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 boo, 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 put those away, bee boo, bee boo. Look at these idiots. Look at these freaking idiots. Oh, I just made a mistake. I showed something. Well, I guess. Oh, baby.
What did you show?
I showed the neck.
My pillow?
I showed the.
What? Oh, no, you're fine.
Really?
That's fine.
No.
None of these.
I'm still gonna talk to
None of these
the
exist.
tiger.
Yeah, but none of these
On my
exist
armpits, eh?
on a place where people can
Did you ever see
recreate.
these on me?
Yeah, that was her. That was her. Look at my face. That was literally her.
What?
Sasha, you look cute as fuck today.
Thank you.
Can I show you? Can I show my friend? Can I show you to a bunch of random strange people on the internet? I'm on live. I'm on Instagram live.
You're gonna keep the filter on?
The filter's on.
That's
Oh my god, you actually look good with the filter too. That's fucked up. That's not fair.
Oh, I'm not you trying to.
Jamal!
Hello.
Hey yo.
Oh god. Here's the real start of the show. Jacob!
What the fuck?
Jacob, she's on
Daddy's home.
Hi, Dad. Hi. Wait.
Don't hide.
And I know you've been.
I look like the smoke from what's that thing called?
Well, they all love you.
I'm doing a live
That's
behind
the
the
best
scenes.
person.
I'm doing a live behind the scenes. Put your thing in your
Show
shirt.
this.
Put your thingy in your shirt. Everybody, if you have a
Put it away.
put it away.
Yeah.
Meow. Put your pee-pees away.
I'm doing a live behind the scenes of how
Do it again. She's about to catch it.
behind the scenes.
We getting ready to eat.
Look,
Zoom in on
that's for Pearson.
Come here, Pearson. Come here, pee-pee. Come here, pee-pee.
Uh-oh. Double
This
trouble.
is for Chris. This is for Chris.
Woo! Woo! Ah, that's whoa, 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 whoa. Relax. Can you calm down? You're embarrassing.
That was me doing
Stop
a whoa with stop it.
Stop it.
Now.
Stop that right now. Stop.
The whoa.
You're freaking everybody out. You're freaking me out. You're freaking everyone out.
With my hair caught
Cut it out right now. The highlight on your cheekbone
Drop
from this
the
filter
ad.
is fucking
Everybody's in the
ridiculous.
chat like, drop the ad.
Hey, make sure you guys drink some water, okay?
Drop the ad.
Hey,
Hey, make sure y'all drink some water, okay? Sister, what's your ad? Somebody's asking.
I think lunch might be over at 3.
Do not drop your fucking ad. I will immediately turn off this.
Asking.
I'm gonna check.
This is my behind the scenes of on tour, my BTS on tour. Just I wanted to show you how I treat the people that work for me. Sasha, push-ups now.
Fired.
She said no. Everybody, I don't want to hear it. You shut your lips. Get on the ground, 500 push-ups now. Go, 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 go.
Wait. Push you up, bitch.
I'll push you up.
I'll push you up like a bra.
That's the only push up.
I will build you up.
I'll push your boobs
I'm
up.
gonna support you in
And-
everything you do. I'm here to push you up.
I'm here to bring you out of your funk.
Let's get it.
That's Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
I will lift you up so hard. You should drink some water.
Oh, Dochi's in here.
You're gonna be so
Drink some
confident.
water, Nate.
should drink water. It's real good for you. It's good for your knees. It's good for your tongue. It's good for your pendulum.
I'll go back on in a second. I'm in the middle of something.
Let's go the other end. Let's make it a group effort because it's.
I don't know why. I don't know why I just said that.
I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you.
I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you.
Let's go together. Let's go.
Okay, yeah, I'm in the middle of reorganizing, picking out an outfit. Like, I'm in the middle of stuff.
Okay.
I'm not done.
Let's table it and let's do it later.
Exactly. It's tabled, and you're the one that's not tabling.
I just want to bring
You guys, we have to clear our pineal glands today.
What does that even mean?
I already did.
We've been doing it every single day.
I don't know what that is.
We're late, low key. We're like 54 minutes late
For pineal.
for pineal gland cleansing.
How do we do that?
What do you mean? How do we do that? We've been doing it every single
We
day.
take Gatorade, we snort it, and then we barf it out,
Yeah,
and then we everything.
Pop out?
But don't tell. But I hope we're not on live and people heard that, because that is an ancient secret to health and wellness, and that's actually how we're all so young. And so I hope no one finds that out.
Yeah, hopefully nobody heard us because then our secrets.
Can you pass me that root beer? By the way, which is mine, and you're stealing.
That is my root beer.
Ami, did you want?
Where is this one?
I don't know, but it seems like
You're
you're
both
viewers.
done.
This one's yours, but we'll trade.
Kind of. Just put it right there. Make sure it stays when you put it down. Yeah.
She doesn't like
If
root
it
beer
falls
unless
off, I'm gonna be
it's-
so
unless it's genuine.
pissed off if you can't
That
back.
makes sense.
Did you drink some water today?
Yeah, no problem. Thank you, Jacob.
Mine was right here.
For reminding me.
Maybe sip is gone. One sip.
I just started it.
You said
What was-
today it's 3:55.
I had some work in my room already, so. It's
Really?
mind your fucking business.
Ooh. It becomes my business when you start complaining about that belly, baby. Like,
Did you wake up grumpy?
I don't know.
Did you wake up grumpy?
Girl, wake up grumpy.
You are grumpy. Oh.
Should we?
Remember we
I kind of wish that I was steaming right now, but I don't want to do all the things that I have to do to go to.
Well, you can scheme when we get to Denver.
Steam.
You're so
Oh my god!
stupid.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I literally said
That wasn't
steaming.
funny. I'm not laughing. I'm actually
Yeah.
pissed.
She's a hot mama.
You can go to action. You can stay there.
I'm actually pissed. I even did a little. I hated that.
Did you steam today?
No.
No.
My
I slept in the
goodness.
bus. I steamed Darren's farts.
You farting?
Darren has not farted once yet, but I'm
farting. I'm
I'm
sorry.
joking. He hasn't. He hasn't.
It's steamed.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. I can only
steamed Darren's farts.
You're so.
We should you guys, we should play soccer, like as a career.
You think?
Like we should all start get into soccer professionally.
I need shin guards.
Wait.
Then let's get it.
I don't need those.
I definitely.
I
need
actually.
those.
I don't
have three
need those
pairs
at
of
all. I already have those
soccer
built
cleats
in.
If we want to just call it an indoor soccer league.
We should.
Indoor.
Oh my god! I know
got
it's
three
even
pairs-
better than
three
playing
pairs
soccer.
Of Adidas indoor soccer cleats I've been wearing.
You were a big
real
indoor.
tennis shoes.
You were a big indoor soccer person.
No, I'm just being ironic. I'm being a cockhead.
She's being a cockhead.
I'm being a cockhead.
She's being like a person with her head is a penis.
That's so fucking rude.
You
Well,
are.
we both have
I'm a
no farts
dickhead.
today.
You dickhead.
You're a player.
We need to start get into soccer right now.
Put it on.
I played
Put it
soccer
on.
in high school.
Let's turn
I
on
used to
soccer on the
play-
TV. Maybe we'll learn.
I used to play.
I played soccer in high school, so I'm down. I'm down.
I wouldn't even
Turn on the
know
TV
where
right
to
now. I need to watch soccer.
Should we just Google David Beckham?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that would be. If we don't learn soccer in 5 minutes, I'm gonna be so
I'm gonna
pissed.
Google soccer.
How to soccer.
How to soccer.
How to soccer.
How to soccer.
Google how to soccer David
How
Beckham
to-
style.
You want me to show you how to soccer? Here, so you want me to show you how to soccer?
Whoa, that was actually really not so bad.
Those
It
are
was
mine.
still shit, but it was like kind of getting to like.
Not it was still shit.
It was going in the right direction.
What octave was that again?
Blue.
Soccer.
Anyone who calls me pretty in this chat is absolutely full of shit. They know that I have a filter on. They're only saying that because of the filter.
Maybe you're pretty without
It's a backhanded compliment.
You're pretty without the filter.
Don't you fucking dare
Only
ever
with the
call me
filter.
beautiful when I have this filter on.
Can we get some of your beautifuls in the chat?
You see what you're doing. You think you're slick. You think you're all slick and smart.
Guys, let her know how pretty she is.
You're not.
Football.
Football.
God.
Oh, look, Jeff plays soccer. That is you.
Look at that guy.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it is.
This is how we'll
Jeffy plays soccer. All these puppets are just me.
Oh, yeah. Basically.
That's exactly what we need.
Look at that one.
Why is he holding a beer?
Oh, I thought this was done it for
Checkerboard ball.
You are not okay, my friend.
Oh, like this? Yeah, but you can also hit it with your head. Okay. What? No, you're supposed to hit it in the air. Okay, like this?
Puppets are so cute.
Whoa, Mike, did you see that? That was incredible. Your son could be a football player. Really? The news!
I don't know what this is, but turn it off.
Look at Bessie. I'm screaming.
What?
Dude, this is a bunch of guys with puppets.
I don't know. I don't trust it.
Jeffy plays soccer. That's going to be my new background.
Jeffy plays soccer. Can we be done with the soccer bit?
Like a I'm actually really fucking funny.
That was funny.
Who told you that, sweetie? Who told you that?
Me. My mom. My mom told me I'm funny.
I bet she did.
What you got to eat, Jamal?
Oh, this is straight cool.
Jambalaya?
The vegan jambalaya, I'm gonna fuck that up.
Oh, it's the same shit from earlier.
Bye, bud.
Bye, Sasha.
Bye, Sasha. You're perfect. You have the perfect body.
Baby animals? Is this what we're doing?
Time to relax the brain. Time to think about little baby animals.
Look what he brought for me.
Tomorrow.
Look how great this man is.
Tomorrow.
It's gonna save my
Is there
life.
diamonds in there?
You guys.
That's Cocaine Bear.
That movie is so fucking fun.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's just nature.
It's not nature, it's nature.
That is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's pretty much basically all that I care about right there. Right fucking there.
He's having so much fun.
I'm giving up for just that right there. That's all that I. My fucking god.
That thing is gorgeous.
No, the other one was
though.
better. The other small animal was better.
What is that? A leopard?
There's a pig coming out.
A pig would be so out of the theme of what animals we're looking at.
Look at that
I
little
didn't know you
guy.
directed this.
I didn't. You do not have to Oh. 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 Oh.
Tomas, I gotta commend you. I told you one time about this, and you still tried.
Oh.
You did not forget.
Dude, it's important. Like, if you can't
You know
get
what?
sleep on that bus.
That just goes to show that you're a busy person.
Oh, look how cute they are. Look at the little... Oh, boo! Ay, this music. Ay, 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 it hurts. It's a YouTube video, yeah. I don't know what it's called, but it's hilarious. It's just a bunch of cute animals. And the music is really dramatic and cute. Things.
Are you hungry?
Oh my.
And we're back at it again. We are back in full effect.
Usually that thing's a wolf.
Is that King Hills?
Look at this puppy, you guys. Did I turn the camera around? You see it? Look at that fucking puppy, dude. Oh my god, he's so cute. Look at him. Is that a turtle? Look at the little baby turtles.
Oh, he's giving him a hug.
Is he really? Fuck you. Oh, we missed it. I saw a little bit of it. I saw a little bit of the little baby turtle hugged the other turtle. Look at those whales. Those aren't as cute because they're so big. Smaller whales, better. Smaller. Smaller. They're too damn big. They're too damn fucking big. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Something that big. Can imagine.
I would be mauled by one of those if it meant I could cuddle with it for a couple of minutes. I would sacrifice my life for that. Baby dear.
Is that really baby deer? Oh my god.
It's Randy.
It's Shooby Dooby.
Look at the baby deer. No jokes.
Sissy, you ate.
I ate. Sissy, you ate.
You're literally eating right now.
Sissy, you're literally eating right now. You literally ate that. You're eating right now. No crumbs. Oh, wait. Maybe a crumb.
Maybe one crumb.
Maybe a crumb.
Nope, no crumb. What are we watching?
Maybe a crumb.
Baby animals.
I hope not.
They're cute. If you could be any animal, which would you be?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, whale.
Probably a koala bear.
Whales.
I love whales. I love
God, what a fucking thing to say. Someone goes, making fun of the environment is not as quirky and funny as you think it is. Capital, in all capitals, they said my name. Amala, to put emphasis on my name.
Who's making fun of it?
I don't know who's making fun of it. They're just like trying to like find a thing, an opening.
That made me sad.
This just makes me think of that Ace Ventura movie.
You're the
wolves.
This is like the next song on the soundtrack for Two Girls, One Cup.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't take that. I can't. That's gonna make me cry. I honestly can't watch that.
It's too much.
That's not what Tomas looks like. That's an 8. That's definitely one of the guys on the crew.
Look at the way they hop around.
I know, I can't watch that.
That's me. Jolene. Has anybody ever domesticated a fox? That was a dare.
I did not like that.
That was definitely a dare.
I hated that.
You're missing that fucking.
But it's a shitty dare too. Just open the door, come in running and screaming. I got better dares than that.
There's fucking
Let's get
40
it.
of them.
Let's get to what's the same. Let's get to the dares.
Did you put your stuff in the bus?
Why? What's up?
By the way, when
Darren
I
was
arrived, it
just
was like
complaining.
that.
Yeah, I know. I feel like it's fine.
No, I'm just kidding.
That wasn't me. I didn't. I closed the door.
No, it just. It was on our bus, that's why.
Oh God.
Let me look at the messages that I know.
It's Kristen.
Wait,
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Kristen. Look, it's a bunch of Kristens.
What?
It's a bunch of you.
Did she just kiss the screen?
One
Wait,
question.
you might have to.
I farted on that screen. She just kissed it.
Thank God.
Okay,
That is disgusting. Anything? Anyone need anything from the bus?
No, but I
Gasoline.
might, you know.
Gasoline.
Can you let this woman live her life?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Kristen.
Now apologize to me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Emma.
Get on your knees, arch your back, and apologize to me right now. No. Get on all fours. Get on all fours and do that one dance move that the oh, no, like, yeah, do that, and now say sorry, I'm sorry while you're doing it.
I'm sorry.
He did it! He did it!
That shit is funny. It's actually my favorite part.
Oh, goats.
Oh, wow, those rock.
Would you bang him?
Those are little... I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't like baby seals. Pretty, they're not sexy, they're not smart, they're not cute. I don't care. I'm sick of baby seals. Yeah, seals are very uncanny valley.
He's scared. He wants his
We
mom.
fell in love.
He's all shaking and
We
shit.
fell in love and fell out of love.
Here comes kitties.
We fell in love and fell out of love. And then fell back in love. Life to live. Doing that. You always got bugs in your fucking lips and shit. And you're just trying to catch fish with your bare hands. Being a bear is not, it looks dope from our perspective, not fun. Being a wild animal sucks.
That's why they're always trying to get inside.
You know what the worst wild animal to be is?
Sloth?
A penguin.
It's just like freezing.
Yeah. Yeah. Freezing cold and you're always like this.
You always
God
have to
forbid
wear-
something fucking bites you. Like, you can't defend yourself.
You have to wear the same type of suit every day.
You're like 80% body fat. You can't do shit.
You just slide. You ever seen Happy Feet? They just like slide on.
Well, Happy Feet makes it seem fun. It's not.
Which is kind of cool.
No, Happy Feet makes it seem like it's cool to be a penguin. I would take my fucking shirt off. You want me to take my shirt off? You want me to take my shirt off? You think I won't take my shirt off? I'll fucking take my shirt off right now. I will. I will.
Don't baby.
I'm gonna get fucking naked right now.
You'll be banned.
I'm gonna get fucking naked.
You'll lose your Instagram account. Then what do you
I'm
have?
gonna do it. I'm gonna fucking do it.
Bambi? Bambi.
Bambino. Hey, I'm a Bambi. Oh my god, little goats.
I'm gonna get butt fucking naked right. I'm gonna take all my clothes off right now.
Don't.
I'm gonna do it.
Think about it. Think about it.
I am thinking about it.
Little meerkat.
I'm about to get naked.
Don't do it, baby.
I'm about to get naked.
Don't do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Do it.
Yes.
Wait, what's going on? It's taking everything in me not to take off my fucking clothes right now. That's me releasing all the energy. After doing that, I don't think that I'm gonna take my clothes off.
I'm glad you thought about it.
Yeah, I think I just had like a lot of pent up energy in me.
So you gotta get that out.
I'm gonna keep my clothes on.
I'm so proud of you.
Are you proud of me for real?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is awesome. Let's go.
Fine. Keep them on. Bye.
Oh, read that.
Bye. Bye. Bye.